my name is Ajay Viswas and today I will disassemble a subwoofer speaker. First we will see its working condition. To do so, we first have to connect it with the power supply. And then after doing that, we have to connect the speaker via Bluetooth, and then to check it's working or not, we will click upon the play button. Now as you can see, it is in working condition. So now we will disassemble it. To disassemble the speaker, we first have to unscrew all the nuts present inside the cast body. We are disassembling it to explore the mechanism behind its work. Now as you can see, a circuit board, a woofer and many tiny elements that are fitted into the circuit board. Now we will open up the woofer by unscrewing the nuts present around the woofer. Then after unscrewing the woofer, you can see a woofer which actually converts the electrical impulses into our desired sounds. Here's an audio transformer inside it to step up or step down the voltage regulation. Here's the circuit board of our speaker which controls and manipulates every binary decision made with the electrical impulses. Here you can see one large circuit capacitor and around it 6 small capacitors to keep the charge energy temporarily. And after that you can see 8 resistors on the circuit board. Here are 3 input output pins, and this is the C1285 transistor audio amplifier. This one here is the regulator to control the volume of the speaker. This one is the push button to switch the speaker on or off, and it works like this. Now after discussing all the circuit elements and devices present inside the speaker, we will reassemble it. For that, we first have to screw all the nuts around the woofer. Now after screwing all the nuts around the woofer, we will put again all the things inside the cast body and screw the nut around the cast body one by one. Now after screwing all the nuts around the cast body and after reassembling it, we will check whether it is working or not. To do so, we again have to connect the speaker to the power and then we will play it again to check whether it works or not. Here you can see it is working. Thanks for watching.